Yes. This is the day after the storms here. Aliso Creek, Orange County, California, where the surf is high, it's rolling in. We expect to have the swells for a while, and it's good to get a break from this, from the rain, 5 days of rain, and again, it's eroded a lot of the beach away, and it's probably going to have me running here. Oops. I better get out of here. Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah, that was a close one. Here. Just challenging the swell. What a swell day this is. Look at that. It's beautiful. The sun's out. Haven't seen that. I read about the sun, and we do have sun in sunny California, but it hasn't been here in a while. This is iPhone Witness News. Chuck Evans, Aliso Creek, California.